This week's updates coming soon to Inbox Pro, local SEO, and so much more. Hi everyone, I'm Hao, a software developer here at Vendasta. I'm excited to bring you this week's updates. Let's jump in. A couple weeks ago, we mentioned we're in the process of improving how we communicate updates to our roadmap, which includes some experimentation, and you're getting a front row seat. Normally, we communicate our new releases in our weekly update video and releases coming soon in our roadmap update videos. We've decided to merge these into a single series, one video each week with alternating content. Last week, we shared a bunch of new releases available for you to check out immediately, which means this week, we have a bunch of in-progress releases you can expect to have available to you soon. Let's start with Inbox Pro, the centralized inbox that facilitates lead capture and conversions. Its AI-assisted web chat widget is helping scores of local businesses capture new leads. Messages from business's website, Google Business Profile, and SMS are handled from one location and synced to business apps CRM, making it easy to stay on top of your inquiries and impress customers with your responsiveness. A couple new lead sources will be joining Inbox Pro soon. By early March, you'll be able to receive and send Facebook messages from Inbox Pro. Email will come shortly after, and Instagram messages are on the way as well. Over to Dorian for a demo.
When you connect Facebook, you'll see a card in inbox settings like this. So next week or next sprint, we will show connecting and all the different connection states you can end up in. But for now, this is what it looks like when you're connected. So we'll go to Facebook here, and I'll send a message. This can take a second. There we go. And there it is in Facebook. So the messages back and forth are working. We are just fine-tuning the connection workflow right now. That's pretty much it.
This spring, we implement some backend logic for sending inbox email message. So right now I'm going to show you the flow, how we use Postman to send another email message. So yeah, we can see here is a contact call EVH with the email assigned. So we're going to the conversation here. So I'm going to use Postman call to send another message in here, and then to see if we can receive the email from the contact side. Yeah, I'm going to send out this message. And here you can see, yeah, there is a message pop up in the inbox. And then let's go to the contact email. Yeah, that is the email of the contact. You can see we received the inbox email message. Here is the name and the subject, and then here's the message body. Yeah, that is what we have right now. But in the next few sprints, we are going to update the UI to allow user to send the email message from the UI. Also, we will polish the message a bit to add a small icon here. Yeah, that's what we have. Thanks.
We're unifying our business profile UI across our platform, ensuring a seamless experience for managing your client's profile. Alongside this enhancement, we're introducing access to local SEO features like AI business descriptions, special hours, and attributes across Partner Center, Sales and Success Center, and Business App. As part of our ongoing efforts to optimize the business profile, we're refining its focus to prioritize public-facing information of businesses. This means that some fields will be removed from this area, but rest assured, they will remain accessible if they affect product behavior. Refer to this week's changelog article to see the affected fields along with where in the platform they can be accessed and edited. Over to Erin for a quick demo.
Hey, my name is Erin Bowman. I'm the product manager for local SEO. Our team has been working on providing some consistency to our business profiles across the Vendasta platform. So you'll notice that we've made some changes as to where some of the information is located, like address information is now in the Maps card, which provides a much better experience for our mobile users. If I shrink that down for you, you'll now see that all of that information is located in that same card. Local SEO also had some features that were specific to it alone, such as setting your special hours, more hours, using AI to write business descriptions, as well as setting attributes for Google and Bing. We're now allowing those special features to be accessible from the business profile, regardless of where you're editing that from. So up in Partner Center under Editing an Account, here you will also see the changes to where the address is located, special and more hours, the ability to use AI to write your business descriptions, as well as attributes. Again, heading over to the business app, you'll see the exact same interface. And then finally, over in Sales and Success Center, again, you'll see the ability to add all that information here as well. As we work to refine the focus of the business profile to be public-facing information, you'll notice that some of the fields, like product setting fields, are not available in the business profile anymore, such as setting the competitors, which is now available in the snapshot report, or setting the share of voice keywords, which is a feature for reputation management. And you can find all of those settings in their respective products.
When it comes to building your client's online reputation, glowing reviews go a long way. And the more visible they are, the more valuable they are. So when business receives a review on platforms such as Google or Facebook, they of course want to showcase those reviews on their website too. This is where Review Display Widget comes in. It enables your clients to display reviews from various sources on their website, but it has limitations when it comes to customization. So the Review Display Widget is getting an extreme makeover. Later this month, you and your clients will have access to the first rendition of the new and improved widget. Let's check out the demo to see it in action.
In the new review widget, a user could toggle with settings for the widget on the left and see it reflected on the right. For example, a user could choose to only show reviews over certain ratings from Facebook, Google, and My Listing sources with a scaled rating. Also, for the spacing setting of the widget, it fits with desktop or mobile. As I narrow the screen, you can see it collapsed into two tabs to toggle with the settings and preview. Also, in a wider space, the widget could show more cards to fit the space, and a maximum of 5. To browse through the reviews, a user could either use the arrows on the side, swipe on their touchscreens, or use their touchpad on the computers. For reviews with longer content, a user could click on the More for the pop-up to see the whole content.
A great way to collect more reviews is to request them via SMS, which you can do right from Reputation Management Premium. Soon, when a business has automations enabled to send an SMS review request, when an action or event is created, the contact in the CRM will be updated to display the last request and its status. Was it delivered? Did the recipients provide a review? If a business is out of SMS credits, or if the SMS fails for some reason, an email request will be initiated. Let's take a look.
So in Repman Premium, Connor McDavid, the classic, I have my phone number in here. Now we're not using the UI because that's not what Business App Pro intends to use. It's going to be like automations and stuff. So I'm going to swap over to Postman real quick, which you can't really see, but I'm basically sending a request as automations would to send out unautomated review requests. I'm just doing a quick API call. So you'll see here that the SMS was last delivered on the 11th. If I refresh this, it should update to now. It's delivered. If they run out of SMS credits here for Repman Premium, it will switch over to email, or if the SMS fails to send for whatever reason, it will also just kind of default back to emails. And we can also see if I go to Business App here and refresh this contact, there should be a CRM activity on it now that says review request. It says conversation, but it's really an SMS review request. This is just how the CRM displays it for now. So
our website pro team is always working to increase the stability and security of our hosting infrastructure to ensure your clients' sites are always up and open for business. The team is currently working on an update that will protect our servers from instability when our cloud provider is conducting routine maintenance, improving overall reliability and greatly reducing the risk of outages for hosted websites. This is expected to be in place in late February.
So the temporal migration can be invoked via the REST service, and the REST service basically takes in the source and the destination mount paths. And along with the source and destination, there are two options that we can avail. One is the site ID. We can provide the list of site IDs, and the other is we can provide the count instead of having the site IDs. So those two inputs are valid ones for the site migrations to begin, which can be tracked using the temporal workflows.
If you followed the Roadmap Update series, you'll know that Simpli.fi and CallRail are coming soon to Vendasta's advertising intelligence. You can unlock the power of seamless multi-platform ad reporting with our cutting-edge software that unifies your client's PPC and digital campaigns from a myriad of platforms like Google Ads, Google Ads Manager, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Microsoft, all under one intuitive dashboard. The team is always working to integrate more sources to facilitate ROI reporting. Coming very soon, Simpli.fi will join the lineup. Let's see a demo.
Hey guys, I'm Magesh. I'm working as a software developer in Intel. So I'm just going to give you a small demo of the latest connection which we have been working on for the past 2 weeks. So the connection which we have been working on is Simpli.fi Ads. So yeah, you can able to see the tab here. If you click on plus button, so you can able to see the auth key and the application key. So it does not have an OAuth process, so we just need to ask the user to enter both the application key and the user key. So if we click on save API key, so it will be hitting one of our backend APIs to fetch the account level data. So if we click on Vendasta is nothing but the account which we have it in the Simpli.fi Ads. I think it's one of the older ones. So if you click on connect only to specific campaigns, you can able to see the list of campaigns here. So we are just going to connect the entire account. So yeah, if you go to the connect page again, you can also able to select one of the specific campaigns here to get only the individual campaigns detail here. So if you go to the overview page, yeah, you can also able to see the impressions, clicks, and conversions data here. So we also have made those changes here as well. So what are all the stats metrics that Simpli.fi supports? So we have added the impressions, clicks, CTR, and conversions right now. These are all the stats which Simpli.fi Ads are supporting. So if you go to the overview again, so we go to Simpli.fi Ads, we can able to see the list of campaigns here. So there are 11 campaigns. Most of them, all of them has been ended. So only one campaign have data from the last year. So if you click on this one, you can able to see the ads here, but you can able to also see there is no ad group level here because Simpli.fi Ads have only 2 layers. How Google Ads different, Google Ad Manager is different from Simpli.fi. So it only have campaign level. After that, it does not have ad group level. It has only ad level. So what you have done is after campaign level, we just have drilled down to ads. So if other than that, like all of the processes are similar, but we have added the sorting here as well. You can able to sort data as well. Yeah. So if you click on one of these ads here, so you will be getting redirected to the next page. So to the actual ads where it has been posted. Other than that, yeah, pretty much that's it. Thanks, guys.
For those of you who use CallRail for tracking call details for their ad campaigns or have clients who do, you'll be happy to hear that you'll soon be able to see such details within advertising intelligence. View ad metrics and the resulting call details coming soon. Here's a demo.
Hello guys, myself Amanath, I'm a part of Ad Intel team. So in this video, I'm going to give a quick demo on the latest connection that we built, CallRail. It's a phone call tracking. It's same as a Marchex and tail metrics, but where Marchex and tail metrics can only be used by our own marketing services people, but CallRail can be used by all the partners. So let's connect an account. So, and to enter a CallRail API key over there. So enter it. So here we can it lists the accounts that the API key holds. So select an account, and while selecting the account, it lists the tracking numbers that account holds. So select a tracking, connect it, and So in the phone calls page, we can see the list of the stats the tracking number has, and here we actually added the tabs over here, so to have Marchix and telematics in one tab and CallRail in other tab. So if you click the CallRail, so here we can see the stats for the tracking number that we selected. So it shows the date, phone call stats, and the duration with the recording URL if it has. So when we click the recording URL, it will actually goes to CallRail page where we can hear the recording of it. Yeah. So connections page, we can actually edit over there, and we can add another tracking number if you want, and the phone call tracking page. So the CallRail, so you can see the stats of the other tracking that we selected, and connections, so we can disconnect it. So from the phone call, so we won't see the CallRail tab over here. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you.
Most of what we've discussed so far is in the surface of attracting and converting new business, but your job doesn't stop there, and neither does ours. How you can process orders and bill clients through the platform has improved a lot recently, and there's another update coming soon. When ordering a package of products and services in Partner Center currently, adding a package results in individual items being added to your order. Soon, the package formatting used on the retail order between you and your client will be retained on the order in Partner Center, clearly showing the package and its contents. This will follow through to the subscription crate for billing. Let's see a demo.
If I select a few packages, say for example this foundational 5, it'll pop the package into my cart, and then you'll see the package contents nested underneath the package. If I try and remove one of these package items, it'll inform me that the package will be decomposed, and then the remaining items will be added to the order. If I cancel that, obviously nothing happens. If I remove, then in this case, I selected to remove customer voice. So then all the other items are added to the order. Similarly, if I then try and add a package with some items already in the cart, it'll ask me to either cancel the addition or add the items from the package that aren't already in the cart. So obviously if I cancel, nothing happens. If I confirm, then you'll see we just get customer voice back into this order because it was the only item missing from this package. And then the last little thing I wanted to show is if you have a package in your cart, and then you click or you add another package with an overlapping item, it'll again ask you to either cancel that selection or add the missing items to the cart. So I'll add those, and you'll see we'll just get the rapid reviews as well as repetition management standard. I think the reason that popped in there is because they're different editions, but it shouldn't be doing that, so I will look into fixing that. And yeah, if you proceed to the next step, you'll see that it still shows the package because the package is selected, not the items.
Exciting stuff coming down the pipe. We'll be back next week with new releases. Until next time.